Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change shipping rates on your Shopify store. This is an essential step to ensure your shipping fees are accurate. So let's dive in. The first step is to log into your Shopify admin. And to do so, again, just go to your web browser and type in the search bar shopify.com like this. After that, click on the login button. Now, if you already logged in like I am, you will be automatically directed to your Shopify account. If you're not, you'll be asked to enter your account credentials, or in case you haven't created an account, to create a new one. It's very easy and simple. Now, once logged in to your Shopify admin, navigate to the shipping settings. Now, on the left sidebar, go to settings here in the bottom and click on it. It's right next to the gear. Sorry. Now go to shipping and delivery here. Select this option right here. Find the shipping profile that you want to edit. Now manage your shipping profile and find the shipping profile you want to edit and click on manage rate here. Here, click on, you can click on it to manage the rate here. After that, locate the shipping rate you want to change and click edit. Here you can adjust the name, the rate name, price and condition. Locate the rate here. Now, for example, here, this one, and I'll click edit. No, this is the, I'll click on edit. No. You can click on add edit here, and you can edit the name, the rate type. You can use this one, the shipping rate, custom, and the custom the rate name, the custom delivery description. It's optional, so you're not required to do it, and you can add the price here. Now once you do that, click on the button done here, and don't forget to save once you finish modifying your shipping rates here. And that's it. Now you've saved the changes and changed the rate. You've successfully changed the shipping rates on your Shopify store. Keeping your rates accurate helps improve customer satisfaction, thus helping in the store's growth. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments about this topic in the comment section below the video. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.